Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox latest version, that is 7.1.6 on Zorin OS. Then we will install the VirtualBox extension pack. First open any web browser, then go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org. Click on download or download, either is fine. Click on download, then select Linux distributions. Then see here we don't have the Zorin OS, but we can select the Ubuntu. Okay, open terminal /etc os-release. See, its code name is, its ID is like Ubuntu and its code name is Jemmy. If Jemmy means it is Ubuntu 22.04. If code name is Noble, then you have to click on 24.04. Okay, so click on 22.04 Zorin OS 17. Click on it. Once you click on, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 111 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is complete. Go to terminal, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then give virtual, give the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are unable to install because this prerequisite is not installed. So install it. Copy this one. Sudo apt get install. Paste it. Hit enter. It is done. Now try to install it. Just give the up arrow for the previous command. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to all applications, then search for VirtualBox. See here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it. Let me maximize it. Verify the version that we have installed. Help, then about VirtualBox. See here we have installed VirtualBox latest version, that is 7.1.6. Close this one. Now we have to install the extension package. Go back. See here we have the VirtualBox extension pack. Click on this accept and download by reading this terms and conditions. See, download started, download completed. Just click on this extension pack. Now it will open. Yeah, VirtualBox. See, now click on install. We are unable to click on agree, so scroll down up to end, then select this I agree. See, it is installing. Now provide the password of sudo user or root account. See, installation completed. Okay, again if you try, it will ask us to reinstall. See, before it was asking to install, now it is asking to reinstall. So cancel it. Okay, now go to terminal, ls. See, we have successfully installed. These packages are not required anymore, so remove them. Rm, you hit enter. Rm, VirtualBox, hit enter, ls. See, we have cleared the space. Okay, now if you want to create virtual machine, click on new or machine and select new, either is fine. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox 7.1.6 on Zorin OS 17. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.